It's your day in tech history, and it's brought to you by our friends over at DJI. Get yourself your own drone by going over to geekazine.com/DJI. Jeffrey Powers here. I welcome you to the Day in Tech History, a full rundown of technology history 7 days a week. Subscribe to the show via iTunes, Stitcher, or download right from dayintechhistory.com. Now let's find out what happened on this day, your day in tech history. March 17th. 1980, United States Supreme Court hears arguments in the case of Diamond versus Chakrabarty concerning whether or not genetically engineered microorganisms could be patented. June 16th, the court would rule that the Patent Office can grant patents on any new and useful composition of matter, irregardless of whether or not the matter is alive. The patent would be issued on March 31st of 1981. 1986, programmer Tim Paterson of Falcon Technology writes to Microsoft indicating an intent to sell his royalty-free DOS license. Microsoft replies indicating a willingness to buy back the license. Of course, there was no price mentioned. 1987, Apple Computer declares 6 different Mac Plus systems the 1 millionth Mac, one of which is presented to interface designer Jeff Raskin. 1988, Apple Computer files an 11-page suit against Microsoft and Hewlett Packard in San Jose federal court. Specifically, Apple Computer accuses Microsoft of using visual display features of the highly successful Macintosh operating system graphical user interface in the Windows 2.0 operating system. Apple claims that Windows violates 13 separate copyrights in order to duplicate the look and feel of Macintosh. Hewlett Packard is also named as a defendant for copyright violations in its New Wave desktop environment. The suit would then be lost in 1995. 1992, Russia launches the Soyuz TM-14 spacecraft. It's a mission to the space station Mir. 1996, the website of Telia, a major telephone company in Finland and Sweden, is hacked twice. First time the page was hacked in the first instance on an attack on a Swedish website. Second time was hacked. It was defaced, and with a message reading, "All rights removed," by the Kevin Mitnick Libertarian Front in memory of SHA. 1997, Microsoft releases Office 97 Small Business Edition. The price of that was $249. Also in 1997, Sony Computer Entertainment of America formally announces availability of NetYaros, which is a PlayStation development system for hobbyists, $750. 1998, website of Unisoft was hacked by anonymously. And in 1999, America Online competes in acquisition of Netscape Communications for $10 million. And Intel introduces the Pentium 3 Xeon processor at speeds of 500 and 550 megahertz. It had a 100 megahertz front-side bus and a 64-bit bus. And now this word from our friends over at DJI Technologies. You know you want a drone. You're a techie kind of person. You like to have fun outdoors, and it is getting warmer now. It's kind of like when you were a kid and you got that first RC car, except this one flies. Connect the camera and record around your house. You can go to your park and put together some great videos of your kids playing ball, flying kites, and more. You can even get the ball or the kite's perspective. If you go over to geekazine.com/DJI, geekazine.com/DJI, you can get free shipping on that DJI Phantom 2. It's the one that I have and use all around Madison here. Then go out to the park and have yourself some fun. Geeky fun with DJI Technologies and the Phantom 2 drone. Now let's get back into your day in tech history. In 2000, Dell Computer begins shipping personal computers with the 1 gigahertz Pentium 3 processor. An Iowa U.S. District Court dismisses a lawsuit filed by Microwave Systems against Apple, which alleges that Apple violated Microware's OS 9 operating system trademarks. Also in 2000, Patrick Naughton, former vice president of InfoSeek and one of the original authors of Java, pleads guilty in federal court 2 charges that he crossed state lines on Tuesday, September 14th of 1999 to seek sex with a 13-year-old girl he had met on the internet. And also in 2000, Sony Computer Entertainment reveals that the company's new released video game console, PlayStation 2, is capable of playing movies on discs formatted in other regions of the world. Technology is a breach of policy among DVD player manufacturers that movies licensed for sale in one region could not be readable in other players in other regions. In 2003, Yahoo unveils its premium online audio and video service, Yahoo Platinum. And in 2008, eBay cancels its deal with ValueClick and brings all affiliate marketing in-house. They'll have it completed by April 1st. And former Quest CEO Joseph Naccio was convicted for insider trading earlier and now was granted a brand new trial. And that's your Day in Tech History. My name is Jeffrey Powers, www.dayintechhistory.com. All the show notes are over at wikizine.com, Geekazine's wiki. And, of course, you can like the Facebook page and follow Twitter at Day in Tech Hist. Until tomorrow, take care. Day in Tech History is copyright 2015, JMP Enterprise and Geekazine.com.